Today we are going to learn how to write the last two letters of the alphabet, uppercase Y and uppercase Z. Okay, like all of our printing lessons so far, I'm using the Wilson Fundations paper for this. But if you have any printing paper with the 3 lines that we use for the uppercase alphabet, that will be fine too. Okay, let's start with uppercase Y. To make Y, you are going to point your pencil, I'm using a marker, to the skyline, which is your top line. You're actually going to slide down to the plane line like this. Then you're going to leave a space and point to the skyline again. So notice I'm leaving a space here on my skyline, pointing to the skyline again, and I'm going to slide back down to the plane line, which is your middle line. Okay. Then I'm going to go straight down from my plane line to my grass line, okay, which is your bottom line. So you start at the top where the skyline is, slide to the plane line. You actually pick up your pencil. You actually jump back to the skyline and slide back down to the plane line so that it connects to this line. Okay, so it's 1, then you jump back up and do 2, and then when you're still in the second motion, you keep your pencil on the paper and go straight down to the grass line again. Okay, let me show you what that looks like one more time, a little bit more fluently. So I point to the skyline, I slide down to the plane line, okay. Then I'm going to jump up to the skyline, leaving a space, slide back down to the plane line, and then go straight down to the grass line where I stop, okay? That is uppercase Y. This one's a little bit skinnier than this one, but can we still tell that that's a letter Y? Sure. Okay, I'm going to make one more. This time, let's practice with the sound. Okay, Y can be for the word yo-yo or yellow. Okay, we're going to use yellow today. Let's say Y, yellow, y. Believe it or not, Y can be a stretchy consonant sound. Your voice is on. It is a stretchy sound. The sound comes from clear back in your throat, and it tickles a little bit. At least it tickles me to make the sound. Tickles my throat. But we're going to try to stretch out the sound y while we write the letter Y. Okay? So I point to the skyline. Let's get our voices ready and go. Y. Excellent. There you have the uppercase letter Y. Our last and fun letter of the alphabet is Z. Let's make the uppercase letter Z. I'm going to start by pointing to the skyline right here at the top. I actually make a line on the skyline. And I slide back down to the grass line. And then I make a line on the grass line. And notice I stop my line right about the same place I stopped my line at the top. Okay, so I do my line on the skyline, slide back down to the grass line, and then slide over a little bit, make a line on the grass line. Okay, and that is uppercase Z. Let's do one more a little bit faster. Point to the skyline. You can do this at home with your finger or pencil and follow along. Pointing to the skyline, gonna make a line on the skyline, slide back down to the grass line, and then make a line on the grass line. There is uppercase Z. Z, zebra, Z. Or it can be Z, zip, Z. Okay, we're gonna use zebra. Say Z, zebra, Z. Good. Now let's see if you can stretch out that sound. Okay, Z is a stretchy consonant sound. It tickles a little too. And your voice is turned on. Let's stretch out the sound while I write the last uppercase Z. Here we go. Z. Excellent. And there's uppercase Z. Z, zebra, Z. And Y, yellow, Y. Very nice. Those are your last 2 uppercase letters, uppercase Y and uppercase Z. Thank you for following along.